The offense is moving up the court. He gets in the first points of the game. He passes. Big time fake and drive to the basket. They'll need to take a shot before time runs out. He makes a quick step and blows by the mid-range jumper goes in. He fakes the shot and drives in. Two-handed jam for the score. That quick crossover took the defender's ankles. A forced shot and nice rebound. Easy layup for 2 points. Big time fake and drive to the basket. He fakes the shot and passes. That's a big time steal right there. An easy dunk right there. He passes. That three-pointer landed like a bomb. An easy dunk right there. The offense is moving up the court. What a beautiful shot. Easy points with no covering him. He fakes the shot and drives in. That's a missed shot. Definitely some contact there, but the shot goes in. There's only a few seconds remaining. They'll need to make a move soon. Easy layup for 2 points. He passes. Steps in for the layup and scores! Big time fake and drive to the basket. Not a good shot. He forced that one. Perfect step back move. They'll need to take a shot before time runs out. Easy points with no covering him. What a great game! The offense is moving up the court. He makes a quick step and blows by the defender. He gets in the first points of the game. He passes. He fakes the shot and drives in. He makes the pass after faking the shot. Easy points with no covering him. They'll need to take a shot before time runs out. A forced shot and nice rebound. Easy layup for 2 points. Perfect step-back move. Takes the three, and it's good. He fakes the shot and passes. He passes. There's only a few seconds remaining. They'll need to make a move soon. He Euro-steps around the defender for the layup. There's the Euro step, and he scores. The offense is moving up the court. Big time fake and drive to the basket. They'll need to take a shot before time runs out. That's a missed shot. Easy layup for 2 points. He passes. He fakes the shot and drives in. He fakes the shot and passes. Where was the defense? Somebody hit the snooze button. There's only a few seconds remaining. Straight to the hoop for an easy 2 points. He fakes the shot and passes. He steps back to create space. Perfect vision. Nice assist. Great teamwork. Big time fake and drive to the basket. He hits a buzzer beater. Game over. The final whistle has been blown. The game's over.